Hi, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for the new subscribers. What we're going to look at doing today is the second part of changing the pollen filter, dust filter on the Mercedes E-Class 213. If you look at the video up in the top corner of the screen, you'll find a link to the internal filter which we did. What we're going to do now is we're going to replace this exterior dust filter which just sits at the top of the engine here. So first thing we need to do is just to open the bonnet and then put the bonnet in service position. So what you need to do is just press this little button in here and then the bonnet goes up to 90 degrees. Now this is a right hand drive car, so the filter's here. If you've got a left hand drive car, it's the other way around. So you just undo those tags, pull this up. You might need to remove this windscreen washer cover. If you do, just take it off and remove this plastic ring that just sits on there, but you shouldn't need to. And then under here is where the filter sits. Now on this side, this clip is already broken. I think the dealer did that when they replaced the battery, but what you should be doing is just in here, you just push that clip under and it releases it. And you just have to work around the other fittings that are here. And this battery cable, that's a little bit tight, and ease it up. And that's it. So this filter should be replaced every 2 years, 24,000 miles. However, this is a year old, and as you can see, that's already quite nasty in there. So we get the new filter. Note which way the air goes through. And you just tuck it in behind the little clips here, like that. And when I compare the old and new, you can really see the difference there. And this was changed 12 months ago, and this car's only done about 12,000 kilometres. So, and then it's just a question of putting this over these top clips, clipping it in. That's it, just sits off slightly. Right. And then we take this cover, it just clips in, slips there like that, pushes down, do those two clips up, and if you've removed it, putting the cover back over, clearing it away, on it back down, job done. Simple as that. That's taken us what, 2 or 3 minutes. Save yourself a fortune. Look forward to seeing you in the next video with some great new content.